best, easy, and tasty iced fruit tea recipes. Iced fruit tea is a delightful blend of fruits and tea, perfect for quenching your thirst on a hot summer day. Its versatility allows you to mix and match your favorite fruits and teas, creating a refreshing beverage that tantalizes your taste buds. In this tutorial, we will explore a range of recipes that are simple to make and visually stunning. Recipe 1. Grape Jasmine Tea. Ingredients: 200 ml grape juice, a few grapes for garnish, 3 to 4 slices of lemon, ice cubes, jasmine tea leaves. Instructions: 1. Brew tea. Prepare jasmine tea and let it cool. 2. Combine in a jug mixed grape juice, whole grapes, and lemon slices. 3. Mash, crush the grapes and lemons gently to release juices. 4. Add ice. Fill the jug with ice cubes. Mix, pour in the cooled jasmine tea and stir. 6. Serve. Close the lid, shake, and enjoy. Recipe 2. Watermelon Lemonade Tea. Ingredients: 1 watermelon, 3 slices of lemon, sugar or honey to taste, jasmine tea, ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Blend watermelon, cut it into chunks, blend and strain the juice. 2. Mash lemons. In a bowl, mash the lemon slices to release juice. 3. Mix. Combine watermelon juice and mashed lemon, adding sweetener. 4. Add tea. Brew jasmine tea, let it cool, then add to the mix. Chill, stir in ice cubes and serve chilled. Recipe 3. Dragon Fruit and Peach Delight. Ingredients: jasmine tea, 3 lemon slices, sugared and pickled peach pulp, dragon fruit meat, ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Prepare fruit. Cut dragon fruit into small pieces. Drain peach pulp. 2. Mash, combine peach, dragon fruit, and lemon slices in a bowl. For a brew tea, make jasmine tea and cool it. 4. Mix. Combine fruit mixture with cooled tea in a pitcher. 5. Add ice, stir in ice cubes and serve. Recipe 4. Lychee Jasmine Tea. Ingredients: 6 grapes, 5 lychees, 2 slices of lemon, ice cubes, jasmine tea. Instructions: 1. Prepare lychees. Peel and seed the lychees, then mash them. 2. Combine. Mix lychees with lemon slices in a bowl. 3. Brew tea. Make a strong batch of jasmine tea and let it cool. 4. Mix. Combine lychee lemon mix with the cooled tea. 5. Add ice. Fill with ice cubes and serve over ice. Tips for perfect iced fruit tea: use fresh ingredients. Choose ripe fruits for the best taste. Adjust sweetness. Modify sweetness to your liking. Chill. Keep tea and mixtures cooled. Experiment. Mix different fruits and teas to create unique flavors. Enjoy these homemade, delicious, and refreshing iced fruit teas.